Hello friends, in this lecture I will tell you how you can recover your Jhgn encrypted data. As you know that the Jhgn is a new ransomware attack which have affected many people. So I am telling you in this video how you can recover your all data. Okay, so please follow my all video. The Jhgn is a very recoverable file. You can know that these are the files. You can see that in my case the extension is .bvoa. These are the jpg files. When you try to open it, you cannot open it. Okay, and these ransomware attackers will also place our readme.txt file in your every folder. As you know that they will ask for money. As you know that just like that they are asking for money, so do not pay them. And I am telling you in this video the method which you can use to recover your all data. So first, when they attack you, first thing you have to do is turn off your internet. After turn off your internet from here, just go to the task manager. The second step, go to the task manager. You will find a task manager here. You will see a task manager here. Here you will see some unknown background process will be running in your PC here. So when you find the unknown process running in your PC, just select them and end the task just like that. Okay, when you see some unknown files are running in your background process just like that, I select this and click on the end task. This will become end. Okay, this has been end task. Just like that you have to do. In the third step, just go to the C drive. Just go to the C drive, go to the window. After going to the window, go to the system32 folder, system32, and then go to the driver. After going to the driver, then click on the etc, and you will see a host file here. You will see some unknown IP addresses here. Just after that, these are your own IP addresses. After these IP addresses, when you see any IP address where website will be attached, you just have to select them and just click on it, delete it, and then again save the file. So now your computer has been disconnected from the ransomware attacker. Now I am telling you the method by which you can recover these data. Okay, so these are the 4 software which you can use to recover your data. These are the 4 software which you can use to recover your all the encrypted data. I will provide the link in the description section as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.